What's up guys, today we are going to be playing Destroy Grandma. This game made by Slung P Games. Slung P, the owner of the game. So let's get started, shall we? I might be a little lag in this today. So let's get rid of that. So what we're going to do here is throw objects at grandma. At the grandma. So let's do that, I guess. Let's do this. Where's grandma at? Where's grandma? So we're going to throw objects at her. So the kids one. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Ooh, got flinged, bro. Bro, I didn't hit her. That's fine. I can do this again, I guess. Throw box at her? No. Take this pie. Oh no, man, I can pick it up. Oh, the lag, bro. I got lag. Let's open this. Boom, hit him. Hit him. Let's comboing this, bro. We comboing her. 4 tasks left. Yes, I got hit too. I'm burning too, man. What the hell? Run! He's killing me. Oh god, bro. Bro, how did I miss that? Okay, let's try this again. Oh man, he's gonna keep filling me around, bro. The lag. Let's go. Get the rock. Get the rock. Where is him? Yes, sir. Get this. Damn, we lost. That's fine. We can play again. We'll get a reward. Smoke bomb. Let's play. Let's do daycare or pirate ship. Let's do this, shall we? Yo! We finally get grandma, bro. We finally had a turn. How do I sprint? I can sprint. That's fine. This guy's killing me, bro. Faster. Oh my god, bro. They're missing. Oh my goodness. Oh, space is the sprint key. Okay. They're missing. Oh my goodness. Get the spiral web. Get this spiral web. Oof. Is that bone sticking out my butt? Oh, it's a vase. It may be a vase. It's a bar or something. Oof. Oh, I got stuck. Let's do this. GG. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, just leave a like or subscribe. So this is the end of the video. See ya.